Hey guys, welcome to my second how-to video. The first one was a tutorial on the bass intro to Sweet Child of Mine, which you can find linked in the description down below. Today, I'm going to teach you how to play pinch harmonics and bend natural harmonics on an electric guitar. If you want to skip ahead, please pay attention to the timestamp in the description down below. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications about more videos like this one. For this exercise, you're going to want to turn up the gain. Maybe not all the way like Marty McFly, but more gain will make it easier to produce the natural harmonic and pinch harmonic sounds. Now, a pinch harmonic is a harmonic that you play with the pick, as opposed to a natural harmonic which you play on the fretboard. Don't hold the pick like this. Instead, hold the pick like this, with just a little bit protruding from the end, and your finger down underneath there. So when you're holding the pick like this, you should be able to see it, but not like this. Now, a pinch harmonic is made with the pick near the pickup, and you have to find that sweet spot on your guitar. Most of the videos I've watched, their sweet spot is right in here somewhere. On mine, it's up here. So you just have to find what works for you. Now this is different from a natural harmonic, which is made by placing your finger lightly on the string and removing it as soon as you pick. But it's not that different. It's exactly the same concept, except instead of using the finger on your left hand, you're using your thumb on your pick hand. Now, what I want you to do is turn your wrist about 45 degrees so that instead of striking the string straight down, you're almost picking it sideways. Place your pick on the string with your index finger on the opposite side, and just as if you're playing a natural harmonic, place your thumb ever so lightly on the string. I'm placing my thumb on the corner here where the nail meets the skin, and do kind of a digging motion. Be sure to move your hand away from the string so that you don't risk muting the string when you go to make the natural harmonic sound. Now, as soon as the pick leaves the string, your thumb is going to strike the string right here, and that's what produces the harmonic sound. So, slow motion. But the point is to do it all in one swift motion. Now, bending natural harmonics is quite a bit more difficult. As you probably know, natural harmonics are produced by placing your finger lightly on the string and removing it as soon as the string is plucked. Bending a string involves applying pressure. But you can't bend a harmonic because by applying pressure, you're essentially neutralizing the harmonic sound. There's 100 different videos out there that claim to show you how to bend a harmonic, but that's all they show you. Here's how you bend the harmonic. Okay, that's it. I'm not doing that because I think it's counterproductive to the point. So, to bend the harmonic, what you need to do is play the harmonic without your finger ever leaving the string. Which you need to place it even more lightly than you normally would to play the harmonic. But you need to be prepared to move the string this way. So place your finger on the string next to the string where you want to play the harmonic. So I'm on the D string, so I'm going to place my finger on the A string, and from the A string, very lightly place my finger on the D string. Once I've made the harmonic, then I am going to bend the string. Now, you need to beware that what I just did was when I moved my finger to bend the D string, I in essence tapped the A string. And you don't want that. You only want the D string. What I did there was exactly what we were trying to avoid in the first place. So you pluck the string and move your finger over away from the string where it's stationed to bend the string that you are plucking and playing the harmonic on. Doing your best not to tap the string where your finger is stationed. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I've given you some good resources for improving your game on pinch harmonics and bending natural harmonics. See you guys next time.